Hi everyone, I'm She. Welcome to my channel, Crafting in the Lyons Den. Whoop whoop. Today we're going to be looking at, can we make jesmonite glow in the dark? Ooh. So we're going to look at this piece. This little beauty here is made out of jesmonite. For those that aren't familiar with jesmonite, it's an acrylic compound. There are also other names. Jesmonite is just the brand name, and it's just the name that I'm using because it's the most well known at the moment. I've also used A1, which is exactly the same except for the mixing ratio is different. Do your research, see what you prefer, and yeah, it's entirely up to you. This is a little experiment because with resin it's so versatile. You can put so many things, mix it and just create these wonderful pieces. With jesmonite, because it's relatively new to the market, people are just sort of picking it up and creating things. There isn't a lot, when I search, there's not a lot on there on how we can decorate it. I've created a few videos. If you haven't seen my other ones, I show you how to stamp and emboss and create shapes within jesmonite, so check them out if you haven't. And today we'll be looking at how to make jesmonite glow in the dark. Woo! I hope you enjoyed the video. If you do, give it a thumbs up. If not, I don't know, leave me a comment. Tell me why you didn't like it. I would actually like to know, to be fair. I'm always there for improvement. Yeah, go for it. If you didn't like it, let me know why. Anyway, please hit that subscribe button. I'll see you next time. Bye. So you chose to use this mould of mine, the little pentagram tea light holder. I've got my glow powder. And I thought, do you know what? I'm just going to dump this straight onto the mould because that's what I'm going to do. Just brushing it on in all the places that I would like it to glow. I wasn't sure if this was going to work, so I just sort of chucked it on and hoped for the best. The glow powder's a bit old now. That's why it's formed all those clumps. I'm trying to break them up in there. But that one's a bit stubborn. Doesn't seem to want to go. Never mind. Carry on. So I wanted the pentagram in the middle to glow, and I wanted the individual tea light bits to glow. So I've just dusted it across the top of them, really. Given quite a liberal amount of powder. More the merrier, always the way. I like to have a little party, a little pigment party. Whoop whoop. So as you know, like any sort of acrylic compound, jesmonite, A1, whatever it is you're using, it's so simple and it's handy that it cures so quickly. Oh, there's a little stubborn glow blobber. What was I trying to say? A blobule? I don't know, but it's gone now. Never mind. A little bit more powder there until I was happy with it. Now I'm pouring the jesmonite straight onto the mould. I chose to do a sort of marble effect. This was the jesmonite with 1 drop of squid ink and loosely mixed to create this effect. Just going to fill that right up, leave it to dry, and then demould. And as you know, you're only going to be waiting for about half hour until you can see your beautiful piece. Just using every last drop there. And yeah, I think that's it. I'm just going excessive here. Waste not, want not. And here we go. It is dry. Let's take it out and see what it looks like. And look at that. It has the tiniest little sheen on it. But the real test is boom. That's what it looks like in the dark. I'd say that's a right success, isn't it? A little bit more powder next time. But yeah, love it. Thanks for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this little short experiment. Make sure you hit the like button, comment and share and subscribe. I'll see you next time. Bye.